Hi all, Goda Govinda. This is Madhavalasya from Channel ML. First of all, thank you so much for all the subscribers who have subscribed. You have reached up to 35 subscriptions to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all enjoying, and thank you so much for all the wonderful feedback and suggestions and comments being sent by people personally to me. With that being said, I hope you're all enjoying my YouTube channels. All glories unto my Acharya, Srimad Aragesh Ringar. I would like to show him. He is my Acharya, Srimad Aragesh Ringar, Srimati Shrivan Saragopa Sri Ranganatha Yatindra Mahadiskaya Namaha. So, all glories unto his lotus feet. He is a current Prakriti Jir of Ahobulavaram. So I am going to discuss about today regarding the auspicious time. So I know, I have already explained it to you regarding the horoscope and its delusion, and what horoscope is based on our Sri Vaishnavism, right? So basically, auspicious time, right? I know, many people would look even auspicious time for even a petty things, starting a class, or like going out also. Sometimes I've seen people saying the horoscope, sorry, not the horoscope, the auspicious time, like Ragu Galam, Yamagandam, and all those things. I'm not denying the fact that, those would bring some or Chandrashtamam and all those things, like those would bring some bad things, omens or anything. But as a Sri Vaishnavism perspective, from as a Sri Vaishnavite or from a Sri Vaishnavism perspective, I am here to explain you about certain things which we hardly believe. And you all know, Vaishnavism means only only focusing on Sriman Narayana. And then, Sri Vaishnavism, is one of the Sambardayam, where one of the lineage where it started off from Sriman Narayana, and then Sri Mahalakshmi, and then it came down to Srimad Prakriti Aragesh Singar. So basically, as per our Sampradaya, we don't see auspicious time. Any Sri Vaishnavas do not see auspicious time except for wedding, or for some sacred thread ceremony or anything like that. Not for petty things, starting a class and all. We don't see any good timings or good day, because to us all the days are auspicious, all the times are auspicious, because we trust in Sriman Narayana. So even if inauspicious things happen, it's only because of our karma or good and bad deeds, and not because of this bad timing and all those things. I mean, because why I'm saying is, I know many people would start looking even for the Panjangam or the horoscope or the daily calendar to see, whether it's a good day or not, whether it's a good star or not. First of all, all the stars are created by Sri Narayana, so all the stars are good in nature. So there is nothing called bad timing or good timing, or bad star, good star. These are all bad star. I know, Moolam star, Moolam is always said, when a pen Moolam, Nirmoolam, An Moolam, something they'll say, right? I mean, don't believe in all those things. First of all, Sriman Narayana, and I mean, created all these stars equally. So all the stars are very good only. It's only depending upon our karma, our nature, and our sufferings have been determined. So pen Moolam, Nirmoolam, and all, it's all stupid. Because I know many people who are born in the Moolam star, who are a female, shined very well. So it's only because of the karma, not because of the stars or nakshatram or whatever it is. And why I'm saying this auspicious time does not come into consideration, as I already mentioned, it's only because of karma, our good and bad deeds, and nothing. So even for going for upanyasam, if you're looking for an auspicious time, then you're losing something. Because or if you want to do some work, you have to start every day. We are starting our work. Are we starting our work by looking into auspicious time? No, right? Because that is the basic needs of our life. Similarly, then why we have to look at the auspicious time when we are starting any puja or anything like that? Because puja is only done for Perumal, right? So if anything related to Perumal, we don't have to look into auspicious time. So that is what our Sri Vaishnavism is. So but still people are still looking into it, because they don't want any bad things to happen. I agree with that, but bad things happens only because of our karma, and not because of looking at the auspicious time or anything like that. If you want, I have done many auspicious things during Ragalam and Yamagandam, and I did not say anything. And I have done many things in Amrita Yogam, or whatever good timings, Nalla Neram, whatever it is called, and I have ended up in bad timings, So basically I don't believe in that. At the same time, like, I don't believe in, like, restricting our Perumal only for the good timing and bad timing or starting a class. Even Sri Velukudi Krishna Swami also has mentioned the same thing, like, auspicious time should be considered only for weddings, like Poonal or Aisha Homam and all those things, and not for, like, regular petty things, like, starting a class or going out, like, and then, like, looking after the daily horoscope, and then all those things, like, will not work out. Because as I said, I myself being an example, that for me, like, there's certain activities done in good timings, like, resulted in bad actions, and certain activities done in Ragalam Yamagadama resulted in good actions. So it's only because of my karma. So people have to understand that, and then they have to apply it in a daily life. Example is our work. If our work, we have to log in at 7 o'clock. If it's Ragalam, can we say to our boss, oh, it's Ragalam, we cannot log in? No, right? We are, like, we have come up to this level where we have to give importance to our work. So it's only because of karma. If that day goes bad, can we blame, like, I started the work at Ragalam, that's why it has went bad? No, they are all doing the duty because of our desires, of our karma. They are all in different positions, as I already mentioned in the horoscope versus delusion. So, like, please don't, look into auspicious time for petty things, like, going to Upanyasam, attending an Upanyasam, or starting a new class, or like going out or buying a car, or like buying a clothes or anything like that. Just say Shri Krishna Arpanamastu with the firm hope, like, whatever you're doing will result in a good deeds or good action, rather than, rather than trying to find the auspicious time depending upon your location and all those things. That's all for today's class, guys. I mean, like, I hope you all enjoyed that homemade eyeliner, and this, I'm still wearing this dry kajal which I made it. It's really good. If you cannot make it, please order it. Or if you want to make if you want to order like homemade chemical free vegan soaps, please text me or WhatsApp me. And also, like, if you want any of my authored books, or like, calendars and all those things, like, please text me or WhatsApp me. I'll be happy to help you all. Until then, stay safe. Please wear mask when you're going out, and please also use reusable bags when you're going out, to avoid the plastic things. And also, like, we can conserve the nature, conserve the resources for the next generation. So thank you so much. Goda Govinda, take care. Until then, see you. Thank you.